Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a beautiful balloon rainbow easily and quickly. You need 7 balloons to sculpt the different color, size to 160. Now inflate the balloon to 2 full pumps. Tie a knot on both sides of the bubble and fasten the sides with the remaining piece of the balloon. I inflate the next balloon with 3.5 pumps. Please note that when inflating the balloon, I hold both ends to form a semicircle at once. Attach the second ball on top of the first, measure the end, twist, cut and fix it. I fix each color of the rainbow with double-sided sticky tape. Please note that the larger the bonding area between the balls, the better the rainbow will be fixed. I do the same with each subsequent balloon, and in each subsequent balloon, I add a little more air to increase its length. After you glue all the balloons, cut off the central thread. Next, I inflate 10-inch balloons with 4 full pumps. I twist each of the balloons and make 3 bubbles. In total, you will need 8 white 10-inch balloons. For one side of the rainbow, I made 3 clusters of 3 bubbles and I inflated 1 balloon with 4 full pumps. I tie the balls together in random order and get a cloud. I make a similar cloud for the second side of the rainbow. I carefully cut off the excess parts from the balloons and glue the clouds with double-sided adhesive tape. The rainbow is ready. Thanks for watching us.